building, like any person, has a lifespan. This building is probably from, I'm going to guess, from the 30s, and you know, it's had its life is over. But I don't think it's any less dignified for you know, having had that life.
When I stand in front of Andrew's work, I'm really inspired by the beauty, by the ideas behind the work, and by the sort of scope of his vision.
He has that ability to make an image that becomes a metaphor for time and civilization and nature.
Okay, got it. That's kind of cool. I mean, it does something. I mean, at least there's something there. I'm not trying to make old buildings dignified. I'm trying to show a process of history that carries forth.